Hello, and welcome to today's Canvas for Instructors Guide tutorial. Today we're going to continue our series in the quarter-to-quarter transition process by making a local copy of our Sandbox course. Now in the previous video, we went ahead and made a Sandbox course from our live course because we wanted to have a most up-to-date Sandbox course that we've been using for the quarter. Now again, if you're using quarter one Sandbox, make sure that it's the most up-to-date Sandbox at that time, because you may want to refer back to how you've changed your course or how you've changed how you're teaching. That's all things that you want to be able to reflect back to. However, one thing to note is that yes, we do have a virtual copy of our Sandbox course within our Canvas dashboard, but it's always helpful to have a local backup on it just in case something bad happens. Now, this doesn't mean that something bad is going to happen. We're just preparing for the worst case. So we're going to go ahead and go through this process. I'm going to click on my Sandbox course. I'm going to go down to Settings. And then on the right-hand side, there's this option that says Export Course Content. I'm going to click on this button. And then I'm going to go ahead and make sure that course is selected. And then I'm going to click Create Export. Now it's going to go ahead and take a little while. It's going to go ahead and run the process. Again, as it says, it may take a little while for large courses. However, you can leave the page or go work on something else to get more work done. But you'll receive an email once everything's done. So shortly, as soon as this bar finishes loading, roughly 70-80%, hey, there we go, 100%, I will get an email notification, which I just did. And now you can see that a new file has appeared that says New Export. I recently went ahead and made an export just 4 minutes ago. However, as you can see, a new export has appeared. I'm then going to go ahead and click on this file. By clicking on this file, it's going to automatically download a new file to your computer. One thing to note about this, whatever you do, do not click on this file. If you're clicking in Windows, Windows will prompt you to download some software to be able to open the file. We don't need to open this. If you need to go ahead and show the file location, make sure to click the arrow button and click on Show in Folder. The other option that you can do is right-click on your File Explorer and click on Downloads. By going to Downloads, you will see the file that has been downloaded. Now here, it's up to you where you want to put this. Usually, I would put this in my Server Falls file manager or my Server Falls file so that I know where to go find it. If I need to put it in my Google Drive, I'll go ahead and put it on my Google Drive called Canvas Quarter 1 Classes or Quarter 2 Classes or whenever this quarter, whatever quarter this course is supposed to fit in. But just make sure that you have a backup copy of your course somewhere so that you can either refer to it later on or you can go ahead and use it in case something happens. Congratulations, you have made a local copy of your Sandbox course that you had copied to from your live course.